So first, I think I changed so much in 5 days, which I don't know, haven't been uh, haven't done in years. It was absolutely incredible. Um, I was every day. It felt like I get kicked in the face. Then I felt great, and I thought this is it. Can't get harder. And then I got kicked in the face again, and then I felt really comfortable. And yeah, in the end, it was amazing. I feel like I'm blabbering because I have so much to share. It's like incredible. I cannot even, yeah, express the gratitude that I feel. And I'm so looking forward to the rest of my life. It's, yeah, amazing. I think I had the best night of my life. I mean, I don't only think, I know that I had the best night of my life yesterday. And I just feel like there are a lot more best nights of my life to come. No. Yes, I learned a lot about myself. I learned a lot about my fears. Learned a lot about my desires. I learned a lot about my pain that I have in my body, my shame, and I feel like I got rid of a lot of it, especially considering the last night. Um, so yeah, a lot, everything. Shame sucks, and it's just not like the moment it's not there. It's the most beautiful experiences that you can have, and you only have one life. So I don't know, why waste it? Everybody, I think there's really no. I mean, I feel like no, I don't know. Maybe not if you have like extreme trauma. You first have to work through that. I think that's very important. Also, when you are a couple and you're going through a really tough time, can help, but it can also be very confronting. But I have seen couples here that made an enormous step, um, and yeah, it's inspiring. So listen. If you're not 100% sure, just reach out. I feel very seen by these people. I feel very understood, and I'm sure that they will give you the right advice, no matter what it is. Amen.